Hi, I'm Douglas Ogwang, founder of Douglas Research and Consultancy Service. I'm your instructor on research methods in the model of understanding research. Today, our course content will focus on why research, what is research, good research, purpose of research, and research types. What is research according to you? So, research is an organized and systematic way of finding answers to problems or questions. It is systematic because there is a definite set of procedures and steps which you will follow. You just don't wake up and start doing research because there are certain logical sequence and procedures you have to adopt. It is organized because there is structure in and methods while doing research. It's a planned procedure, not a spontaneous one. So it is focused and limited to a specific scope. Finding answers is the end of all research, whether it's the answer to a hypothesis or even a simple question. Research is successful when we find answers. Sometimes the answer is no, but it's still an answer. Questions, they are central to research. If there's no question, then the answer is of no use. So, research is focused on relevant, useful, and important questions. Without question, research has no focus, drive, or purpose. Why research? To get a degree? To some people, yes. To face a challenge? Really? To solve a problem? Okay, I'm correct. And if there is no problem? To get intellectual joy? Oh, yes, I am an inventor. I'm the one who found that. I'm the one who found COVID vaccines. To serve society through various inventions and discoveries. For example, those who discovered planes, cars, Newtons, Galileos, the Wright brothers, by increasing the standard of living in case of social and behavioral science. In a classroom, I have a task for you. You can choose a friend and discuss a concept around you and find out a problem and how to fix it. So that process of finding out the questions and how to fix it, you are searching for knowledge. Purpose of research. Research is conducted with the purpose to understand, expanding your knowledge base, and the goal of research is to produce new knowledge. We do research for problem solving. You can give an example. What kind of problem are you solving? Are you solving a problem on disaster? Is it a national drought management? So all these contribute to developing knowledge in the field or study. Other purpose of research and others are exploratory. You can conduct to explore a group of questions. The answers and analytics may not offer a final conclusion to the perceived problem. So it is conducted to handle new problem areas which haven't been explored before. Descriptive. Focus on expanding knowledge on current issues through the process of data collections. Sometimes you want to offer a picture of how things are. Explanatory. This is another way of analytics or casual research, which is to understand the impact of certain things in existing standard procedures. You conduct an experiment in the most popular form of a casual research, predictory, to predict how things or systems will change under alternative scenarios. Other purposes are prescriptions and planning, or also known as decision making, monitoring and evaluations. This is most common, where you're trying to monitor and evaluate the effects of changes during and after they have been made. Investigation to compare results in practice and predictions, or to monitor the effects of a policy, management, or a technique, or a treatment. And so the research types: qualitative research approach and quantitative research approach. Thirdly, there's also take note of methodological triangulation, which is the combination of both methods. Before starting out a research, try to develop a topic within the area of your interest, an area that you are passionate about, so that the research is feasible and you can be able to manage it. Make sure the topic of your research is not more than 20 words, and the research stems from a problem. So I want you to attend my next lesson. It's on qualities of a good researcher. What makes you be a top researcher? For instance, sometimes it's funny because in academia, it's hard to find a professor or a doctor or a lecturer who is a celebrity. That's the funny bit of it. But you can be a top researcher and you can make a difference in your field of expertise or your field of study. Thank you so much. Catch me on the next lesson, lesson 2, qualities of a good researcher.